Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a stunning event invitation on Canva. So what you want to do is to just type on the search bar on the Canva homepage events. You can see flyer program, you can choose anyone, but you can also just include invitation. So once you've keyed in the word, what you have to do is just wait and choose the Canva template of your choice. You can select anyone that appeals to you. It depends on the event. So assuming it's a church event, you can include it here in the search bar, church invitation. If it's a charity event like this, you can include it. Or if it's school event, whatever event it is, you can just put it here you can put the keyword in the search bar here and it will bring you templates that are particular to that type of event you are looking for. However, if we are just looking for any type of events, it will bring us an array of various templates to choose from, and we can edit any one of them. All we will have to do is to click on it, and it increases like this, and then we click on create customize this template. And once we are done customizing, we can download it and send it to whomever we want to send it to. So this is how to use or create an event invitation on Canva. Thank you and do have a great day.